On YouTube today we are gonna find no, it's not on Facebook. Kind of long story short, but my son in APM. I have a whole bunch of kids in APM. My favorite mechanic of all time. We are with Cool Guy. We are with Cool Guy Mechanic Diesels. Today I am bringing my Bobcat is because I found this is because we're gonna find this vehicle because I got a call telling me that he found this truck. It's been sitting for 27 years. No, it's been sitting for 35 years. And he hasn't really looked at the interior and stuff. It's been sitting for 35 years. So we're gonna go pick it up, and if it doesn't start, we're gonna pull it out with the Bobcat. So enough with the yap. We're gonna go to this place. We're going to North Dakota with my 470,000 miles 730 power stroke that I have here. Got my buddy, got my son here. I'm gonna say hi to the vid. Alright, he said hi. We are hitting the road. Alright guys, so we're gonna hit the road here. I'm gonna get some stuff. Got the 7.3. Got my 2003 Ford F350 7.3 power stroke. And don't ask if it's a 6.0. It's not a 6.0, it's a 7.3. When I bought it, he said it was a 7.3. I was looking for 7.3. I bought it with 113,000 original miles. Now it's got 470. But we're gonna pull over real quick because we have to get some stuff here. My son is driving his hood stacked third gen. I think it's a 05, something like that. I love that hood stack on it. My third gen is a 04. I bought a new one. I bought it for towing skid steers, tractors, and all that stuff. And yes, I added a flatbed on the 7.3. And I peat matched rims. I added a grill guard because I crashed so many times, and I usually put new grill guard. If the grill guard gets wrecked, that's just add a new one, and then over and over. So I'm gonna grab a tow strap, this, and then I need the big cones. Hello, I'm looking for, I need all this and 2,000 bucks. Start over. Hold on. What's that? Go, 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 go. Go, go. Bro, that was $2,000 for all these things. Bro. It said it was like 100 each. And two. Alright, we're gonna hit the road, and then when we get to North Dakota, we're gonna find the vehicle. So we're gonna hit the road, and yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to North Dakota. I think it's at this cattle farm, I believe it's at this cattle farm. I think I lived at this farm before, but I'm not exactly so sure. But we're gonna find a vehicle. It's for free since we're finding it, and there it is. Let's see. I bet she has seen better days, but it's been abandoned for 35 years. Let's see. It says it's a F-350. Let me look at it. It says it's a 1985. It's been sitting for 35 years. This thing's all rusty. Bruta. Okay, everything kind of works. Oh, it fires up. It rolls white smoke. Ah, damn. Damn. 35 years and it still ran. Let's see how many miles it's got. 137,000 original miles. But I just brought the skid steer just in case. No. Don't. Alright, so the 730. It's barely squatting though. Hold up, give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm good. I'm gonna try to move this thing. This thing is pretty wonky. I'm surprised the steering thing works, even though it's all freaking rusty. Oh god, this thing barely moves. Bro. This thing. Alright, hold on. Holy, this thing is so freaking slow. And hold on, let me change the time. They're like 8. Holy. But she has seen better days, but it barely lasted not abandoned for like, I don't know, maybe like 5 years. Maybe, bro, it got abandoned since 1990s. Let me look what year it is. It says it's a 1985. I don't know why it's rolling white smoke. And then, and last night I was also rolling gray smoke and white smoke. I meant, no, I mistake that. No, I didn't drive it last night. Don't worry all about that. I accidentally said that, but, he told me, when it was starting to rust really bad, it rolled white smoke and gray smoke. That's what he told me before it got abandoned. That's what he told me. Look, it rolls gray smoke. Did you see that? But holy, this thing. Bro, do the brakes work? Bro, the brakes are broke. Actually. Holy, bro, this thing is so freaking wonky. Look, it rolls gray smoke and white smoke. It's gonna be a issue with this thing. But I bet it needs a new engine. It says it's got 100. This thing needs, so we're gonna rebuild this thing. Take out the whole interior, whole dash, everything like that, whole motor. This thing goes like 70 or 80, but on max engine. But if it's max engine, it only goes like 97, something like that. But hopefully it can add your horsepower yourselves. But holy, sitting for 35 years. Ah, damn it. Hold on. Truck. Clark. Truck. Truck, shut it off. Like it won't start. And how am I even gonna freaking move? Don't worry all about that. I cannot believe it ran for 35 years and now it just shut it off on me. And oh my god, the transmission is falling apart. It's trying to not to move. Let me fix it real quick. With this. I cannot believe this truck was sitting for 35 years. Yeah, this truck is messed up. Yeah, and that part broke again. The whole motor is freaking messed up. But we're gonna go back to the cattle farm, try to get this thing loaded up if we can. If not, might have to get the skid steer or maybe use the wrench to load it up. But but you saw that when it was not in the shade, it still rolled a little bit of gray smoke. Even when it was not in the shade. You guys saw that. I know. This truck is so messed up. Like, that was not in the shade at first. Just rolled. It should not be rolling white smoke like that. But this truck is messed up. It's a 1985. Ah, shoot. Hold on, let me spawn the monster. Alright. I'm telling him to respawn his truck. Alrighty. Hold on. At least it started after like 2 or 3 cranks. I don't know how the lights work after sitting for freaking like 35 years. Oh, let me take off the bed real quick, low key. And I should probably take off. And then let me put it back on the bed. But she has seen better days. Yeah. Let's just leave the tailgate off anyway. But this thing will barely drive. Like, this is so weak. This truck is not even a strong pickup. Come on, you old sucker. Got her. Bro, this truck is like, this is probably the weakest truck I ever drove. 35, it spent 35, sitting for 35 years. Bro, but got the old Ford here, got the better Ford. Rather than that junky one. I do not like that truck though, but a deal is a deal. It's for free since it's a barn find. But we're gonna hit the road, so we're gonna hit the road back home. $85. Yeah. Yeah, it's a 1985. But we're gonna hit the road back home. Then I'll see you guys when I get back home, and we'll do a couple episodes with this truck. Might have to take it on apart and rebuild it. Have to put a new frame on it. And yeah, the drive shaft and the transmission fell apart. As you can tell, leaking fluid, but I'm really scared if this build doesn't go right. But I hope it does. We're gonna try to do it ourselves. And holy, the bed is freaking loose. But we're gonna hit the road back home. And I don't know how the suspension is all straight. But we're gonna hit the road back home. And yeah. So see you guys when we get back to Alabama in 8 p.m. Let's see if it's recording. Okay guys, just while on the way here, the transmission and everything rusted out, so now it won't move. The motor works. It does start, but the motor is falling apart from the rust. Motor, like 50% works. So I might grab my Bobcat skid steer real quick. So before the motor rusts out, before the motor fully rusts is before the motor is fully gonna rust out. We're gonna get our skid steer in there. We do have a. So let me grab this and then attach it to this F-150. No, it's a 350. And oh, shoot. Alright, let me open this garage door real quick. Disconnect the tow strap. And then we're gonna try to. Got our skid steer here. It's a Bobcat. I do got a John Deere. No, I don't have a John Deere. Oh wait, yeah, I have a John Deere. Yeah, I have a John Deere and a Bobcat. But I think the motor rusted out. It's like the motor is like 5% working. It's crumbling. It's crumbling real hard. So before it like falls apart, I'm gonna get this in here. So let me just hop in this old skid steer. Oh. Let me disconnect the tow strap. Can so be that. Alrighty, real quick. Well, let me back on got my skid steer. My dude's got my 7.3 here, and that is a 6.9 RDI diesel. So it is an RDI diesel. I have so many RDI diesels. I think I have like 3 or 4 RDI diesels. That RDI diesel, and then another RDI diesel, and then another RDI diesel. Yeah, I have 3 RDI diesels. I'm gonna get 4 soon. You never know. But we are gonna try to. We're gonna try to get this. Oh, damn. Sorry. Come on, you old sucker. But that thing is so weak. I think the motor fell apart. I don't know what's running, but the motor's trying to fall apart real bad. I don't know how, but yo, it's like 25. Yo, the motor's like, the motor's 75 rusted. Come on. Come on. It's starting to move. Yes, push. I don't know how the fuel tank works, even though, oh shoot, it has a hole in it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, and see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, when the video ends, I'm gonna start working on this thing, take it on apart, fix the rust and stuff, and yeah. So I might like work on it a little bit. And then when episode 2 comes, it's going to look a little different. But episode 2 will be coming hopefully tomorrow or so. And yeah, like and subscribe. Peace out, and see you in the next video. Peace.